What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Abby, and in today's video we are doing a wash and go, and I'm super excited because I received this PR package in the mail from the Main Choice featuring Shenseea's main 5 products. As a Caribbean girl myself, seeing someone like Shenseea step into the beauty space is more than exciting. She's very bold, unapologetic, fully represents our culture on the global stages. So when I received this PR package, seeing that she collaborated with the Main Choice, I had to try her top products for myself. So in her top 5, we have the Bond Repair Leave-In Conditioner, the Curly as Can Be Curl Defining Cream, the Ancient Egyptian Antidote Ultimate Defining Setting Mousse, the Multivitamin Scalp Nourishing Growth Oil, and the Alpha 48H Edge Control. Now in today's video, we're only using about 2 of those products and the Edge Control. I'm using the leave-in and the mousse because I really wanted to try a mousse in my hair and see how successful I would be able to get a wash and go out of this mousse. Now this was my first time using a mousse only in my hair for a wash and go, so I came into this whole experience blind. I did not know that I would get the results that I would get. So I like to start off by wetting my hair completely. I always feel like the best wash and goes always start with either freshly washed hair or really wet hair, or a combination of both. So I like to make sure that my hair is completely wet before going in with the leave-in conditioner, and I apply that all over, and I make sure that my hair is detangled and also just filled with this product at every strand. And then I go in with the mousse, and I have about 2 pumps of this mousse in my hand. In some areas, I did about 2.5 or maybe 3 pumps, but 2 pumps is enough. And the main thing that I got from using this product is that a little definitely goes a long way. Now, if you're anything like me, you know that you have different techniques in every section of your hair. So for me, when I'm working with the back of my hair, I like to go in with the product and shingle that product through to help my curls get that definition. I like to break it down into subsections, and all you see me doing here is raking my fingers through, making sure that the product is there, and that white cast from the mousse is going to stay there, but it's not going to dry there, if you know what I mean. After your hair completely dries, this mousse cast is definitely going to go away, and even throughout the video you'll see how the product kind of just sinks into my hair and it starts helping my curls define a little bit more. Now I wanted to share my experience with what I've learned about these products while using it. First off, the Alpha Bond Repair Leave-In Conditioner, I just knew it was going to be something special from the moment that I put that product into my hands and ran it through my hair. It's not your average leave-in conditioner. It's definitely very lightweight, and it's all about repairing and protecting your hair from the inside out. The formula is designed to target weak hair bonds, like the parts of our hair that gets damaged from heat, from color, or just everywhere wear and tear. And as someone who's constantly styling, protective styling, or switching up my look, I think this is definitely the game changer that I need. It's super hydrating, and it doesn't leave that heavy residue that some leave-ins do sometimes. And what I really love is how soft and manageable it makes my curls. I can literally finger detangle with ease, and my hair stays moisturized for days. Now, this Ancient Egyptian Antidote Setting Mousse, first off, can we talk about the name? It's giving luxury, strength, royal treatment for your curls. This mousse is definitely what I needed in my curly hair routine. It's infused with very powerful ingredients, all which help protect, define, and nourish your strands. I noticed immediately how bouncy and juicy my curls looked right after using it. So I feel like this would be really good for a braid out, a twist out. But today we're gonna focus on that wash and go, okay? This mousse definitely locks in your style while keeping your hair soft and touchable. And the hold, baby, it lasted me literally all day. Now with Miami's humidity, I definitely battled a little bit with a little bit of frizz, but my curls still stayed intact. Now if you notice at the top, I definitely used my Denman brush to help define my curls a little bit. And this is just going back to what I mentioned earlier of every part of my hair needing a different technique. When it comes to the front of my hair, a Denman brush is definitely necessary. I mean, I'll still get really decent curls if I go in and just rake my fingers through and maybe finger coil a little bit. But this Denman brush has changed my life since the moment I first bought it. I actually need a new one. So I think I'm gonna be buying one very soon. I actually let my hair air dry for the whole day, and these were the results. When I'm telling you my jaw was dropped, oh my goodness, I was so excited. My curls dried beautifully, super defined, soft to the touch, and still very full of movement. And my favorite part was that there was no crunch, no flaking. They were just very juicy, healthy looking curls that actually felt as good as they looked. I just feel like there's something so satisfying about seeing your natural hair thrive with the right products, and the combo gave my curls life, okay? Now, to give my curls a little extra volume and shine, I went in with the Alpha Multivitamin Scalp Nourishing Growth Oil. I applied this on my scalp, and I also used a little bit between my palms to rub against my curls. And I used it gently to fluff out and separate the curls at the roots. And not only did I get a gorgeous glow, but it also helped reduce that frizz while giving my hair that soft, bouncy volume that I love. And also it smells so good. It's such a clean and fresh scent, not heavy at all, and my scalp definitely didn't feel like it was dirty or anything like that. And then to wrap it all up, I used the edge control to swoop and style my baby hairs. And I would say it holds exactly the way it says. It's very smooth, sleek, and no white residue at all. And this is our final look, and I'm honestly so impressed. My hair feels very hydrated, it looks healthy, smells amazing, and it all came together using Shenseea's top 5 picks. If you've been thinking about trying the main choices in Shenseea's collection, this is your sign, okay? Let me know in the comments below which product you're most excited to try or what your go-to curl combo is. I'll be sure to link all of the products in the description box as well, so definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more curly girl content from this Caribbean queen right here.